NEET PG 2025 result had been published on 19th of August. The counseling process will start within next 2 weeks. Now, NB has given the notice that the scorecard will be available from 5th of September. Official answer key yet to come in the NB website. Along with that, all the students, they are also exploring their possibilities of getting the seat in different private college, deemed university, government college, and DNB based on their required specialization, budget, locations, etc. In my earlier video, I have already given you the information regarding the MD respiratory medicine details, cutoff, fees, stipend, and everything. In today's video, I'll be giving you the information regarding another very important specializations, that is MD radiation oncology or radiotherapy. Student, with the increase of the cases of cancer, nowadays the radiation oncology radiotherapy demand has been increased within the students. Most of the cases, the student prefer radiotherapy. The reason is that if you do radiation oncology in your PG, in SS, you will be eligible for appearing the exam in medical oncology group, and you will be eligible to take the subject DM in medical oncology in SS. So if a student do the radiation oncology in PG, he will be eligible to take admissions in DM or NB in medical oncology in SS. In this video, I give you the information regarding which all deemed university is having the radiation oncology. What was the previous year's cutoff? So we'll get an idea how much rank you should be having, what is the fees, previous year's fees, and approximate how much stipend the student may expect from the particular deemed university. Institute of Medical Science, Mulana, one of the reputed deemed university in Haryana. Their radiation oncology fees 18,95,000 per year. Cutoff was 39,704 in 2024. Stipend what they provide 56,100. Next is Kasturba Medical College, Manipal and Mangalore, one of the most reputed deemed university in India. Both the medical college fees 19,90,000 per year. Round 1 and round 2, approximate cutoff was 33,743 was the cutoff in KMC Manipal. KMC Mangalore cutoff was 34,588 and stipend is 45,000 per year. The student who are having dream to take admission in KMC Manipal or KMC Mangalore for radiation oncology, their rank has to be between 30 to 35,000 in that range to get the seat in KMC Manipal Mangalore. Yenapur Medical College Mangalore is very reputed deemed university and it is a minority college. Here what I am mentioning, there is non-minority cutoff in Yenapur 2024. Since the fee is comparatively higher side in Yenapur, so that is the reason even if your rank is little higher side also, still you can get the seat here. Fee structure is 35 lakhs per annum in Yenapur. Round 1 cutoff was 57,423 and round 2 cutoff 67,306. So you can understand that if your rank is around 60,000 or within 70,000, still you may expect the seat in NPR. In case if you belong to Muslim minority, maybe even though if your rank is above 70,000, you may get the seat there. Stipend is 45,000 per month. One of the most reputed deemed university in South India is Amrita Medical College, Kochi. In Amrita, fee is 25 lakhs per annum for radiation oncology. Round 1 cutoff 43,136 and that is the highest cutoff. And stipend is 43,000 per month is the stipend. Rural Medical College, Loni, which is in Maharashtra, 30 lakhs per annum is the fees for radiation oncology and cutoff goes 64,204. Approximately 64,000 is the stipend, which is the official stipend, I'm telling you. Ramchandra Medical College, Chennai. Ramchandra is one of the most reputed deemed university in India. In Ramchandra, fee is 32 lakhs per annum for radiation oncology. Round 1 cutoff 55,225 and round 2 43,585. Stipend is 48,000. Malareddy Medical College for women, which is in Hyderabad. The fee is 25 lakhs per annum. Round 1 cutoff 59,261. Round 2 cutoff 55,253. And the stipend is 45,000. So, student, if you are looking for admissions in radiation oncology in deemed university, you can see that the possibility will be there till 60,000, 70,000 rank, you will be having the possibility. Maybe the fee usually will be around 35 lakhs per annum, but possibilities will be there for you. If you are looking for any counseling related guidance for paid counseling services, you can go through my video regarding the paid counseling services. The link of this video is mentioned in the descriptions. If you want to take guidance, you can contact us. So we'll take care of your entire counseling end to end till the registrations till allotment process. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. Thank you so much, student.